就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Yo, it's time for more Hakka music here on ICRT, and today we're going to introduce to you this 4-member band known as Urban Cat, who loves to perform at local coffee shops. They combine folk songs and Hakka fairy tales with an urban jazz twist, and this single is called He Wouldn't Forget Us, which draws on the theme of the power of love, calling for listeners to embrace love and everyone around you. So check it out. Here comes Urban Cat.
千種年人一情行過年，也極極有瘋狂嘅擺片，愛當來當來。
在城市里听着乡村音乐，在流行音乐里面有爵士元素，这就是二本猫的风格。这4位音乐人常常喜欢在城市里的咖啡厅来演奏哦。而他们的团名二本猫是延伸于英文 Urban Cat。我们现在听到的就是二本猫的，他才不会把我们全部不记得了。二本猫的这首歌是以爱作为主轴嘛，很好听哦，而且里面还带到很多不一样的颜色来代表不一样的爱，包括绿色、黄色、红色，而且只要有爱大家就不會忘記對方了，也因此命名這首歌叫做他才不會把我們全部不記得了。
我想記會咪唔識得改模樣，千千千里格格一種安排哎呀。一切各地的那邊，現在所有全世界，所有嘅人都希望有你愛。天空暴風雨，一盞未來眼裡，全部記得來來來，就用眼等你，靠用靠用就黑暗。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.